In this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin as we are seeing this imminent move anytime soon, as well as AXS Infinity as we are also seeing this massive opportunity. And take a look at this, guys. Ano ba yung nangyari ngayon sa ating Walmart and Litecoin movement? Ano ba nangyari sa biglang pump kagabi? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, meron tayo din actually free giveaway. So makikita nyo actually itong free giveaway dito sa ating crypto.com tutorial video. So andito yung ating free giveaway. So kung gusto nyo sumali guys, sali lang kayo. You just have to follow some of the criteria. Kasi dito sa video na to, sasabihin ko dito kung nasaan yung link nitong file na to, at dyan kayo mag-submit ng inyong submission. So, yeah, sali lang kayo guys kung gusto nyo sumali ng ating free crypto giveaway. So yeah, let's dive into this Bitcoin chart first. So first things first, let's talk about this latest movement ngayon ni Bitcoin. Kasi diba, as previously mentioned, sabi ko sa inyong kahapon, yung kagabi kasi hanggang dito pa lang yung ating bullish divergence. Ang nag-form pa lang dito is hanggang dyan pa lang. Ang sabi ko sa inyo, diba, we can still decline further para ma-continue natin yung ating bullish divergence. And take a look at this, guys. It actually happened. Look at that. Nag-decline tayo further and it still continued our bullish divergence. So remember, bullish divergence is an increasing RSI while the price is declining. So as of now, this is still looking healthy for Bitcoin. And if I were you, I would have been buying off from this dip. So remember, yung mga areas na sinasabi natin kapon such as the 44K, the 42.3K, sila yung mga area na magandang sundan ngayon kasi of course, if nag-dip si Bitcoin, then that would be a very good opportunity to re-enter some big trades. So, right now ako, may buy order ako dito sa 44K na nag-enter na at na-fill na. So, yeah, meron na akong buy order na na-fill, the 44,000 US dollars. And then, right now, because of that movement na drop, nagkaroon tayo ng increasing RSI, we are actually bouncing off still from this falling wedge. Now, it's either a 50-50 move as of this moment kasi if you're going to look further, you could actually say that this is a bear flag kasi the bear flag is somewhat of a movement like this, diba? So, this is a bear flag. Kunin mo yung pole and then lagay natin sa possible point of breakout which can lead us to a 38.7K area. However, parang masyado na mahaba itong wedge which indicates na mukhang hindi na to bear flag. It could actually be somewhat of a falling channel or a falling wedge. So, in this case, kung falling wedge to, then this is a trend reversal pattern to the upside. So, it's either not tuloy-tuloy pa din tayo dito sa movement na to. Pwede tayo umakyat. Pero let's say, ano ba yung magiging bearish scenario niya? If naging bearish to, then of course, we are going to still continue this downtrend. And in that case, it's either the bear flag yung susundan natin or itong height nitong falling wedge na to. So, in that case, this falling wedge height, target natin siya up until the 41.8K area if yun yung magiging target natin. So, right now, it's a 50-50 move pa sa ngayon. So, remember, in order to confirm this move, kailangan natin ng volume. So, para maging valid yung gantong scenario na if magpapump tayo to the upside or to the downside, kailangan natin ng volume. Kasi if wala tayong volume, we are going to get rejected by certain areas such as this 46.1K. If nagpump tayo, baka dyan tayo ma-reject. Or if nag-decline tayo, baka hanggang 43.3K lang tayo kung ganun yung nangyari. So right now, you need to watch out for those areas. Pero ang pinakang technical target talaga ng falling wedge is the top of the wedge, which is this area of around 47.3K. So if ever na mag-break tayo to the upside, I think ang highest possible point natin as of this moment is this 47.3K area. So yun yung ating kailangan nga i-watch out for the Bitcoin price, and pretty much if ever na mag-break to the upside, which I think anytime soon mag-break to the upside, because of course we all know a bullish divergence is a trend reversal to the upside. The question is, when are we going to see this? So ito kailangan natin ngayon mangyari. Kailangan natin maging patient before we enter into any big or short-term trades. Pero right now, short-term trades are not advisable as of the moment kasi of course, hindi pa siya okay actually i-trade to, not unless kung experienced trader ka. Kung experienced trader ka, then of course, you can maximize this movement dito kay Bitcoin. But yeah, if hindi ka pa sanay mag-trade, stick to spot wallet, or if gusto nyo na safe entry, I highly suggest na abangan yung breakout nito with volume in order to confirm the move. So yeah, that's for the Bitcoin price. Pretty much, andito pa din tayo. Now, let's talk about this movement ngayon na nakita natin for AXS Infinity kasi right now, we are seeing this massive opportunity right now for AXS Infinity. If you're going to look at this, AXS Infinity has been relatively moving sideways. Kasi look at that. We are actually pretty stable at this one area lang. And we all know na if we are seeing a long consolidation, that can lead to a pump anytime soon. And we have all seen that with Cardano, we have all seen that with Ethereum, we have also seen that with BNB, and right now we are also seeing this similar movement forming ngayon kay Axie Infinity. So right now, we have another window area for Axie Infinity. So it's either na we wait this out or you could actually maximize this pump and dump movement. Pero yeah, as of this moment, we are going to wait this one out hanggat wala pa tayong breakout from this Fibonacci area. Pero ano ba magiging technical target natin? Ang technical target natin if na-break natin itong Fibonacci area would be this 94 or 95 US dollars. So 95 US dollars yung ating technical target if mag-break tayo to the upside. And in order to confirm that move, kailangan natin ma-break yung 79 US dollar area. Pero if hindi natin siya na-break, let's say, na-reject tayo dyan, then possible na mag-play out pa siya dyan. Pero if let's say, hindi natin na-sustain palalo yung move at nag-dump palalo si Bitcoin, then this can go down up until the 53 US dollar area. So, medyo malayo-layo. But yeah, yun yung kailangan natin i-watch out ngayon. Let's look at the moving averages. Siguro 200, yeah, below that moving average tayo. So, right now, this is somewhat of a pretty bearish movement or more of a consolidation. Pero looking at the overall structure, this is looking healthy for Axie Infinity. As you can see, it is still moving sideways. So, either way, I think we are in a very good window area for Axie Infinity. And guys, the best place to trade Axie Infinity is actually in MEXC. Kasi in MEXC, you can trade different NFT tokens such as SLP. Dito kay SLP, pwede mo din siya actually i-leverage trade. Ako, I have been leverage trading Axie Infinity and SLP myself dito sa MEXC. And yes, you can see, nagdadraw ako dyan ng mga iba't ibang pattern kasi of course, nag-leverage trade ako dyan. And look at this, guys. Kung susundan nyo si SLP, you can actually still trade this kasi you can trade this even if it goes up or down. So, this is actually a good opportunity kasi may mga iba nagsasabi na nagde-decline yung price, hindi ka na makaipon doon. I don't think so. Pwede mo siya actually pagkakitaan itong area na yan. If let's say yung drop na yan, kung nakita nyo tong descending triangle before, then you could actually trade this area na to. Kasi remember, if you break to the downside, of course, this one would be a massive opportunity, a sell short opportunity. So yeah, you can trade this, and if you want to trade in MEXC, you can use my sign up link in the description down below. Remember, leverage trading and futures trading is only for experienced traders. So if hindi ka pa experienced, I highly suggest na stick to spot wallet ka, and yeah, sanayin nyo muna yung sarili nyo sa market. That's for SLP. Now, let's talk about this massive move na nangyari kagabi sa LTC, sa Litecoin, and as well as kay Bitcoin. Kasi if you're going to look at the Bitcoin price movement last night, let's look at the 15-minute para makita natin siya. And then reset the chart, and then hide natin yung ibang indicators. You can actually see na nagkaroon tayo ng isang massive movement dito kay Bitcoin. And this is actually this massive wick. Ayan, a massive wick. Same goes dito kay Litecoin. We saw this massive wick. And ano ba yung nangyari dyan? Well, actually, ang nangyari dito is because of this massive hype na nangyari kay Litecoin and Walmart. Nagkaroon sila ng partnership si Litecoin na pa-partner sila with Walmart. So, this actually caused a massive surge sa ating Litecoin price. Ayun na, nagkaroon tayo ng massive pump. And then, ayan, nag-hype siya. Same goes kay Bitcoin, nagkaroon din ng massive hype. Ayun na, nagkaroon na yun ng massive hype. However, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, guys. You can maximize this. However, hypes like this doesn't last usually for a very long time. Yung mga ganitong hype, for the short term lang yan, at it does not really affect the long-term movement. So, such as yung sinabi ko sa inyo kay Cardano, di ba? Nag-dump tayo kay Cardano. As what I always say, yung mga hype na ganyan is not sustainable and it does not always last for a long term. Mga short term lang siya. And ang nakatawa nga dito, nangyari yun sa Litecoin Walmart news. Lumabas din pala na fake news yung nangyaring partnership with Litecoin and Walmart. Nagkaroon tuloy ng biglang dump. So dahil sa biglang dump to, ang daming dito tuloy na liquidate sa kanilang mga long, sa kanilang mga short. Kasi hindi nila na-expect yung mga ganitong movement. So this is why I keep on telling you na you need to be careful with this movement kasi these movements are all driven by hype and it's not by data. Delikado na sabayan nyo to kasi it's either maliliquidate ka dyan or baka masusunugan ka ng pera. So that's why I always say na always follow yung mga ating technical fundamentals kasi if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, it does not really affect any of the movement. So if you're going to look at this, yung nangyari for the short term, parang wala lang for the whole crypto market kasi it does not really affect the whole movement ni Bitcoin. And if you're going to look at this kay Litecoin, let's look at a bigger time frame. at erase natin yung mga ibang drawing natin dito, ipakita ko sa inyo, you can still see na the fundamentals is still the same. So, it does not really affect any movement for the long term or short term. So, I know, we're still following this pretty much the same movement for Litecoin. So, if I were you, instead na umaasa sa mga ganyang hype, I highly suggest na you follow the fundamentals. And yung mga hype na ganito, you can make extra money out of it. But remember, pang extra lang natin yung mga ganong hype and you don't actually make serious trades sa mga ganitong hype. Kasi if gumagawa ka ng serious trades dyan, sobrang delikado kasi it's either na high risk siya pero high reward, so pwede ka manalo dyan. Yun nga lang, since high risk siya, malaki dun yung pwede mo makuha talo. So, yung mga ganitong movement, don't take it very seriously mga ganyan, yung mga ganyang hype kasi delikado siya sa inyong mga portfolio if ever na masunugan kayo. And of course, delikado yun sa inyong mga pera. So, yeah, trade at your own risk if you're going to follow yung mga ganyang hype. But in general, follow the fundamentals and not the hype. As usual and as always, dito sa ating YouTube channel, we trade by the data and not by hype. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.